Hello guys, and another video from Barbara today. The video today is going to be showing you how to install RAM into your computer. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I just bought, well, I'm going to upgrade my computer with some new RAM. Currently it's 3 gig, so I've taken out the 1 gig stick, and then this is a 4 gig stick, so I'm going to have 6 gig in total. And I just thought I'd do a little video showing everyone how to install it. So it's made by Kingston. I got it from Amazon for about £14, reduced from 23. Okay, so the first thing you do, basically you get a circular screwdriver. You go to the back of your PC. You unscrew that. It might be in a different position on your computers, guys, but it's basically, there'll be one sort of big screw that you know which needs taken out. You then take off the side, and there is the inside of my computer. It should look fairly similar, and basically that is your RAM. I've got 2 slots in mine. I've taken out one because I'm putting my new one in, which is there. And basically, I'm just going to put the video down so I can put it in. I'll go up closer as well, guys, so you can see what to do. But this is DDR3 RAM. As you can see, the pin is not in the middle. It's a little bit to the left. That's how you know it's DDR3, I mean. Okay, so the first thing you do, okay, so there's 2 little clips. I'll just quickly show you guys, sorry. There and there. You open up these clips, and that allows you to stick the RAM in. You just slot it in as so. It's a little bit hard because I'm holding the camera as well. That doesn't help. You give it a little push and it's clipped in there. You then put the clips down, and then that is how you install RAM into your computer. Simple as that. When you boot the computer up, it will recognise this, and then you can away you go. So it's a really simple task. All you have to do is just open up your PC, and then you open up the little clips, they're called, and then you just slot it in. It's as simple as that. It's one of the easiest tasks of a computer hardware replacement. And that is basically the video, guys, really. Just one thing, when you're installing your RAM and stuff, make sure that you've taken out all the leads and plugs and that, and it's turned off, because that could be bad. And then you just pop the side back on, hook it up, and it will notice that there's new RAM installed. You can get it in many different sizes. I got 4 gig for £14 on Amazon. My tower is a HP. It's quite nice. It's decent. So it was originally 3 gig RAM, and now it is 6 gig because I've got a 2 gig already, which is that blue one there, and then my 4 gig there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Nothing exciting really, but just showing you how to install RAM. If you was interested, like the video, subscribe. More videos soon. Bye for now.